Your child likely hears a lot of directions throughout the day, things they can do and things they can't do. It can be really easy to forget to praise young children for all the things we ask of them. One way to turn that around is by rewarding your child's positive behaviors with your words and actions. When you reward your child's positive behaviors, they are encouraged to do more of them. There are 3 core types of rewards: verbal, activity, and physical rewards. Let's start with verbal. When you catch your child doing good things, let them know right away. Things like using kind words, cleaning up, and following your directions quickly. Saying good job isn't enough, so be specific. For example, great job cleaning up your blocks right when I asked. Verbal rewards should be genuine and enthusiastic, like praising your children's efforts. I saw you working hard to write your name. Next are activity rewards. Here, you can use play to reward your child right after you see a positive or expected behavior. Say things like, first, we will do our schoolwork, then we can play with the bubbles together. Activities can also include playing a game, reading a favorite story, or an activity you pick together. Activity rewards can help you and your child connect through fun. When you ask your child to do schoolwork, clean up, or take a nap, think of how you can use an activity reward when they are done. To help build trust and increase your children's positive behaviors, be sure not to take away activity rewards once they have been earned. Finally, physical rewards. Affection is always welcome, but can also be used as a reward. Show your child you appreciate what they do with hugs, kisses, high fives, and even fist bumps. Keep in mind, for rewards to be effective, you have to give lots of them. You need to give your child at least 4 rewards, whether it's verbal, activity, or physical, for every 1 correction or redirection. And if there is a negative behavior that you're concerned with, consider giving a lot of reward and praise for the positive behavior you want to see. You can use verbal, physical, and activity rewards to connect with your child and increase their positive behavior.